These are the 2015 SSR SR70Cs. I'll pull one out here for you, show you some options on it. This bike is semi-automatic, no clutch, just a foot lever shift. All the gears are down, all the way up is neutral. We got front and rear disc brakes. A lot of the bikes out there you see are drum. These are disc. These are all 4-stroke, so no mixing gas. They're nice little bikes. Gas lever there. Choke is right here. I'll start it up for you. That's the orange model. We also have white, red, neon green. All these bikes are $599. All come with factory warranty right from SSR on parts. We also work on the bikes. Thanks for looking.